talk about the top 5 coolest birds. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Number 1, the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal in the world. Reaching up speeds up to 320 miles per hour. They have something in their noses that keep their lungs healthy so they don't get, like, if they go high, they dump down. Their dive is called the stoop. They tuck their wings together and then dive really fast. They mostly hunt pigeons. Sometimes ducks, grebes, and common. It's some type of pigeon that it's a hard name to remember. And where do they live? Worldwide except Antarctica. Oh, come on. They're fast, really, really fast. What's your question? Are the peregrine falcons the second largest, third largest? Are they like large and stuff, you know? They're medium. Number 2, the snowy owl. The snowy owl, one of the largest owls in the world. They hunt lemmings. That's the only thing the prey I can think of, the snowy owl. They live in the Arctic tundra. That's a really cold place. Is there anything cool about them you want to tell
They're
us?
white, and I love their golden eyes, their fluffy feathers. The only house that have in common are the silent feathers.
So is there anything cool about them when they catch their prey?
Yeah, their talons, they grab it, they carry it, they leave it on the branch, and they eat it.
Okay, go to the next one.
Number 3. But what's your question about it?
I did. I first.
Oh yeah, 3. The Geier falcon, the largest species, the largest of the 50 species of falcon in the world. They weigh up to 6.6 pounds.
So they're also medium too.
No, they're big.
Sorry,
Bigger than the peregrine falcon.
I don't know.
They live in the Arctic, up in our in our planet, on top the Arctic. They also live in a really cold place.
And where do they live again?
Arctic. So, they mostly eat seabirds and ground hares, and other falcons and gorses. There's some kind of ground bird. Number 4, the elf owl, the smallest owl in the world. They live in the Sonoran Desert of North America. So, they weigh about 4.2 ounces. So, they're really small. It is small and cute. You can hide in part of your hands. You can just grab it.
And what do they eat?
Oh, they eat beetles, crickets, and scorpions.
And when they eat the scorpions, how don't they get pinched?
They'll just grab it with their talons with the silent feathers.
But what about the poisonous tail they have?
Remember what I said. That all housing have in common are the silent feathers. So the scorpion couldn't hear the elf owl, and they'll eat it.
Yeah, but what about when they eat it? Do they get pinched in their mouths of their poisonous tails?
It's already dead already if it's in the mouth. Last but not least, the golden eagle. They live in North America, Asia, Northern Africa, and Europe. They eat like ground squirrels, scorpions, and that's all I could think of else.
What's cool about them?
Oh, they're fast too. In fact, they're the second fastest animal in the world. They can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour.
Wait, how much does the Peregrine Falcon?
320.
Because I thought they went up to 200 miles per hour.
So, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and see all of our channels. See you in the top 5 coolest fish. Sharks.
You stand the test of time.